In today's video, I'm going to show you everything you want to know about the smartwatch called Lin from the Chinese brand called Shangying. I'm going to do a few real-life tests to challenge its heart rate accuracy as well as oxygen saturation level, and I'll get you through the main features of this good-looking smartwatch, so stay with me. First, let's check what's in the box. Inside we can find the manuals, warranty cards, a USB charging cable, the spare wrist strap, and the Lin watch itself. Lin has a catchy rounded design. The watch has an anodized aluminium front case with a glass screen and has a soft silicone wrist strap. My wife found out after almost 2 weeks of use this strap didn't cause any irritation on the skin. If we flip the watch, at the plastic back panel we can find a standard 3-axis G sensor for the heart rate combined with the infrared sensor for SpO2 tracking, and the magnetic charging pins when you can plug in the charging cable. There's one home button on the right side of the case which wakes up the screen and serves as a back button. By the way, the case of the watch has a standard IP68 water resistance certificate, so sweat or water won't penetrate the seals of the watch. Lin comes in 3 colors: pink, black and purple. The display is a nice looking 1.1-inch high-resolution TFT LCD display with a resolution of 240 by 240 pixels, which gave us a total of 308 pixels per inch. You might feel the smartwatch has an edge-to-frame display, but it's not. It has 3mm bezel around the display. The display is nice and has vivid colors and is bright enough even if you look at it outdoors under the direct sunlight. The brightness of the display is obviously adjustable. It has 5 steps. And to clarify, this is not an always-on display. However, it lit up automatically when you move your wrist up. To set up the time and date and set all the parameters of the watch, you'll need to download the dedicated companion app called InksFit. The app is compatible with iPhones and with Android phones. To find the app, you'll have to scan a QR code with your smartphone or just type InksFit in the Apple Store or Google Play. With the app, you can set and control most of the functionality of the watch. Once installed, open the app and find your watch on the device list. Tap on it and confirm all the pairing and notification requests to ensure the full functionality of the watch. You can customize the watch faces or change built-in watch faces for the new styles. To flip through preloaded watch faces, press and hold the screen and just swipe through them. There are plenty of alternative watch faces available for download from the companion app. You can also create your own dial, for which you can use any photo or picture from your phone. Simply pick it, crop it, and it's ready to upload. The Lin smartwatch offers the assortment of 12 sports monitoring modes, which includes walking, running, hiking, rope skipping, spinning, dancing, yoga, badminton and tennis. The watch doesn't have a built-in GPS, which means it will not record the route of your walking or running, but it will show you the amount of steps, the heart rate, calories burned and the time of the exercises. All the statistics of your exercises are being recorded in the companion app, so you can see the nice looking graphs there. When talking accuracy of the Lin smartwatch, let's see how the watch copes with the heart rate tracking. My wife compared the Lin's heart rate measurement against the finger-clamped medical-grade pulse oximeter. Here we got the readings: 73 beats per minute at the watch and 73 beats per minute at the oximeter. Wow! Let's repeat the test to make sure it wasn't just a lucky coincidence. Here we got 77 BPM on Lin and 77 BPM at the oximeter. I'm impressed. Now let's compare the blood saturation levels, also known as SpO2. Here we got 98% at the watch and 99% at the oximeter. That's really close. But don't forget, the watch isn't a medical grade device, so these readings should be taken only as a reference. The watch has a bunch of useful features. One of them is a breathing exercise which encourages you to set aside a few minutes a day to focus, center and connect as you breathe. Other useful features such as tracking of your menstrual cycles, alarm clock, stopwatch, countdown timer. You can also control the music app from your phone once it's connected via Bluetooth with your phone. The watch also displays push notifications from the phone, text messages, social media messages, etc. etc. It also shows the incoming calls and allows you to drop the call, but you can't pick the call for obvious reason: the watch hasn't got a microphone and a speaker. The Linn smartwatch has a 270 mAh battery which lasts around 2 to 3 weeks, and that depends on how often the screen's been used. And the full charge of this battery takes around 45 minutes. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed that video and found it pretty informative and useful. If you're new to the channel, make sure you're subscribed so you won't miss when the next video comes out. Thanks everyone, that was Adam and you watched Family Pop TV.